account and I saw the date. Collins, you left me just 1,000 naira. Collins, how could you be so selfish? Why are you so selfish?
What if they just paid me?
No,
what if that money came into my phone?
I saw the date. When I was one bringing money. Collins, I paid our rent.
Wow.
I fed you.
Here we go.
I clothed you. I did everything.
Hi guys, season's greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Talk with Presh, and today I bring you guys another new movie. Now the name of this movie is Sun Showers, okay? And this movie is starring Onyi Alex, Jackie Appiah, Maurice Sam, Ray Adeka, Chisom Armstrong, Grace Goffrey, Favor Peters, alongside other amazing cast and crew, okay? Now, first of all, I feel like the name of this movie doesn't do it like enough justice. The name Sun Showers doesn't do it enough justice because this movie is a very beautiful movie, okay? I can get the concept, okay? Probably after the rain comes the sun and everything. Yes, I get it. But the concept of this movie is thrilling. Okay, let me give you guys a lowdown. Let me don't bore you with my own thoughts, okay? Basically, this movie is about a young lady who is in love with a struggling artist. Now, this guy obviously is struggling with his music, trying to put his music out there, and it's not working. Most times, she has to borrow money, most times, she has to go all out of her way to give him money. This girl is practically feeding this boy, clothing this boy, sponsoring his music career, and everything. And yeah, the music was not working. So one day she happens to meet up with a friend of hers who she hasn't seen in a long time. And this friend of hers actually happens to be a CEO of a company. And then she pitches to her friend that, okay, please, can you help my boyfriend get a job? And not knowing that the CEO already has eyes for her man. And the CEO says, all right, gives the boy a job, and yeah, the boyfriend on his own is a crazy person and they start having an affair. And I always usually say, when you want to see the true character of a person, wait till the person has money. Wait till the person has connections. Wait till the person has power in quotes. Then you would actually see who a person really is. And that was what really played out in this movie, because when this girl was doing everything she was doing for this boy, the characters he portrayed, he was a humble, loving boyfriend. But now that he's in a position to return that favor, he starts to treat her with so much disdain. That was when he now remembered that, oh, she doesn't dress well, that she dresses like a man. That was when he remembered, oh, she's ras. That was when he started remembering so many things. And I like the fact that he had a friend that told him, when this girl was doing all these nice things for you, you never remembered that she was ras. You never remembered that she dresses like a man. You never remembered all those. Suddenly, you're making money, okay, and you see her friend who happens to be like classy. Then your girlfriend is all ras and everything, and it was just ridiculous. Then back to her friend. It is amazing how you call somebody your friend and you end up treating the person like trash. And that was what happened in this movie, because this girl was like, oh, she's my friend. And when comes to shove, she ended up sleeping with her man. And not only that, a sacrifice she made for this her boyfriend in quotes. This girl exposed that she slept with somebody to raise money for her boyfriend, and this girl ended up exposing that same secret. Okay, so now, another thing I like about this movie is Kama. I like the way that Kama came very fast. It did not waste time. Now, it turns out that her friend is actually married. Yes, the CEO is actually married. And when it was time, she threw this boy out like a piece of trash that he is. And then he obviously sees he has no choice and tries to come back to his, in quotes, his ex-girlfriend. And unfortunately for him, his own friend has helped her pick up the pieces of her life, and yeah, she had moved on. And it was beautiful to watch. It was beautiful to see Karma at play. Okay, now this movie is an amazing movie. You can watch this movie at Onyi Alex TV. Trust me, it's an amazing movie. Try to watch the movie to the end. And guys, please tell me your thoughts about this whole movie. Okay, tell me your thoughts. What do you think about, first of all, the girl who gave up a lot for this guy and the guy who returned the favor in bad?